To use Absa Bank International Transfer, start by gathering the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank details. You will need the recipient's bank name, branch name, and account number, as well as the SWIFT code or IBAN number. Next, log into your Absa online banking account or visit your nearest Absa branch. If you are using online banking, navigate to the International Transfer section and select the account you want to transfer from. Enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to transfer. Review the exchange rate and any applicable fees before confirming the transfer. Fees may include a transfer fee and a correspondent bank fee. The exchange rate will be the current market rate at the time of the transfer. If you are visiting a branch, provide the recipient's details and your account information to the bank representative. They will guide you through the process and provide you with the necessary forms to complete. Once you have confirmed the transfer, Absa Bank will process the payment and send it to the recipient's bank. The recipient will then receive the funds in their account, usually within 2 to 5 working days, depending on the recipient's bank and location. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount and any applicable fees. Additionally, be aware of the daily transfer limits and any restrictions on international transfers. To avoid delays, double-check the recipient's details and ensure that all information is accurate. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the transfer reference number, which can be used to track the status of the transfer. By following these steps, you can easily and securely use Absa Bank International Transfer to send money to recipients around the world.